Today, let's talk about Kanerika's AI-powered automated data reconciliation solution. When data flows across different systems during reporting, migration, or compliance, inconsistencies often appear. Manual reconciliation takes time, involves multiple teams, and still leaves room for error. Kanerika's automated data reconciliation solution, powered by Flip, solves this by comparing and validating data across systems in just minutes. It allows you to define business rules manually, or it can auto-generate them by intelligently analyzing your existing Alteryx workflows. It also gives business users real-time visibility into data accuracy, making validation faster, smarter, and audit-ready. Imagine your analyst team needs to reconcile the sales numbers from your operations system against your reporting database before sharing results with leadership. With Kanerika's AI-powered data validation solution, this process is simple and fast. Instead of manually defining rules, the solution connects directly to your team's Alteryx workflow that prepares the sales data. By analyzing that workflow, it auto-generates the necessary validation rules. Within minutes, a clear dashboard highlights any mismatches or issues. This way, your team ensures that every delivered report is accurate. Moreover, in many organizations, critical business data is scattered across different systems, like cloud storage, spreadsheets, and databases. This makes it challenging to get a single, reliable view for better decision-making. But with Kanerika's AI-powered data validation solution, powered by Flip, business teams can easily validate data originating from multiple sources and sign off confidently on everything before reports are published or KPIs delivered. Here is what we covered today. We began by recognizing the challenges of manual data reconciliation. Then, we introduced Kanerika's AI-powered automated data reconciliation solution by Flip, which ensures accuracy by auto-generating validation rules from Alteryx workflows and providing real-time dashboards. Finally, we saw how the platform provided full visibility, helping business users trust the reconciliation results they saw. Let's explore how this can fit into your data ecosystem and simplify your data validation process. Reach out to us at www.kanerika.com/meet.